Cryptocurrency, the new era of the dirty money laundering game. So, money laundering is a process where you convert the black money to white money. The proceeds of crime, they move from being black to white. And now the new era of cryptocurrency will be there. Now, see this diagram. So, you are victims, you are a victim, you have a crypto account, you are defrauded, your money or your crypto, how your crypto is basically moved to a new account, the pooling happens, and the crypto coins are created, and then they are mixed in multiple wallets. They are moved to India to offshore accounts, maybe Dubai, Cambodia, and that is how it is taken by some other people. They move to the crypto ATM currency and they draw in the cash or in the foreign accounts. Now, this is how the crypto entire system is used. Now, this is the new era of fraud. Now, as per the data in India, the crypto users are going up, and it is similar to what money laundering system happens, but now cryptos जो have use हो रहे हैं, and these cryptos are there. Now, offshore heavens to crypto wallets, how illicit, how illegal funds are shifting gears. Now, illegal and proceeds of crime are moved to cryptos. They are converted to white and converted to cash. Now cryptos are digital asset which are replacing the traditional tax havens as a preferred channel. So dirty money क्या होता है? Dirty money, any money which is coming from proceeds of crime, money laundering or drug trafficking or prostitution, whatever. So that is dirty money. Now Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center has said that at least 114 case of the fraud has recovered in which crypto exchanges were used and the proceeds of crime were transmitted by transnational syndicates. So international organizations also involved. Between January 25 to September 25, 27 crypto exchanges were used in India for money laundering channel. So, yani, these are the things. Roughly 623 crore was siphoned from 2872 victims. So if you have a crypto account or if you're interested in cryptos, make sure that you understand the process of laundering also. Cryptos offer, अब cryptos में क्यों invest करते हैं? Because they offer anonymity, speed, border crossing, weak regulation and offshore heavens में आपका पैसा move हो जाता है. The investigation links money from India, Dubai, UAE, Cambodia, China via unhosted wallets and offshore exchanges. यानी यहाँ इंडिया से पैसा क्रिप्टो अकाउंट्स के थ्रू यहाँ मूव होगा unhosted wallets and the offshore exchanges. And one of the biggest challenge जो इंडिया में है that there is a regulatory gap. So regulation wise things are weak and illegal. No comprehensive framework is issues like storage of seized crypto, recognition of exchanges, investor protection remains unresolved. यानी अगर आपका क्रिप्टो अकाउंट है, all these problems are there and they are very real problem. इंडिया में जो क्रिप्टो मार्केट है, it is 119 million users, which means 12 crore people are using cryptos even today now in India. I am not one of them. Market size is valued at 2.6 billion right now, और ये बढ़ के this will increase to 15 billion by 2035. So it is very important to understand how cryptos will make you your money can be moved. So ये जो article Indian Express में आया है, you just idea is important. Don't have to go into details of that, how technically it works, but let's understand. So as per the recent investigation of cryptocurrency usage in India, which of the following statements are correct? The I4C found, now I4C is India's coordination for cybercrime, found multiples account in the past years where cryptocurrencies were used for routing illicit fund. बिल्कुल सही है. That is what they have found. In India, trading cryptocurrency is illegal, hence all exchanges are banned. Now, trading cryptocurrency illegal नहीं है India में, it is legal, but government does not promote it. Investigation traced funds from India through Dubai, Cambodia and China use unhosted wallets. India se fund have moved to these areas. This is also right. So statement 1 and 3 are right. A is the right answer. So Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center I4C analyzed 144 cases over 3 years with crypto used to funnel stolen money. So money को stole किया जाएगा and that will be funneled. The statement is right. Statement 2, in India, trading in cryptocurrencies is not declared illegal and there is regulatory uncertainty even though. Okay, regulation बैन तो नहीं है बट इलीगल भी नहीं है बट देयर इज रेगुलेटरी अनसर्टेनिटी. द इन्वेस्टिगेशन शोज flow money via this. The answer is right. So statement 1 and 2 is the correct answer. B is the right answer here. Okay, which of the following features of cryptocurrencies make them attractive for money laundering compared to traditional offshore route? तो traditional offshore route से क्रिप्टो को क्यों जो है पुश किया जा रहा है? Because transactions are irreversible and pseudo synonym. Yes, it is right, because once a transaction is done, you can't revert it back. Now, crypto is very secured system, decentralized digital system, and unregulated. So all crypto exchange operate under uniform global regulatory framework. Answer is no. Second statement is wrong, and first is right. Money can be moved across jurisdiction within the minutes via digital wallets. This statement is also right. Money laundering में the money is funneled to the mule account, from mule account to other account, and transaction is very complex. So it is very difficult to trace the origin also. Okay, every transaction on blockchain reveals full identity of user. No, cryptos are anonymous in nature. You need to have the private key to understand the detail of the information. So statement 1 is also 4 is also wrong. So A, 1 and 3 are right, and 2 and 4 are wrong. So A is the right answer here. A is the right answer. Cryptos offer pseudo-anonymity, wallet addresses, and irreversible transfers. Regulation is fragmented globally, but no uniform framework exists. So statement 2 is incorrect. Funds can move rapidly across borders via wallets, and I think this statement is correct, and fourth statement is also wrong. So this is the question. Now we have a mains question. Cryptocurrencies are increasingly being used as channel for illicit financial flows, replacing traditional tax haven. Analyze the risk this poses to India's financial integrity and outline the policy responses. Now, how do you do? You will start the introduction by telling that the illegal funding or the dirty money or money laundering is also moving from traditional system to the crypto system, where the risk is very high, and we have cases, data, and money is laundered and moved from India to many countries and offshore accounts, and there is lack of clarity in terms of. So, in body, you'll write all these points, and the impact in India. What will be the impact? Tax loss, money laundering, proceeds of crime can be used, not terrorist activity, any kind of illegal activity. It will impact India's financial stability, investors not protected, and the idea of illegal system flourishing is very risky for the whole ecosystem. Okay, so 190 million users already हैं इंडिया में, and that is where there is a huge risk to the investors. So tax base होगा, investor को loss होगा, it will weaken the economic system, and credibility जो है वो भी impact होगी. And then what is the way forward? Enact comprehensive crypto assets law covering exchanges, wallets, and custody of anti-money laundering. Then strengthen KYC reporting standards, require registration, licensing. So KYC को strong करिए. Enable blockchain analytics for forensic tracing. That means we should know where is the fund is coming from. Impose tax transparency, link crypto gains with IT filing, expand TDS. So cryptos को income भी show किया जाए. See, if you can't control it, maybe just allow it, but try to have a control over that. Develop international cooperation on crypto regulation, joint investigations, exchange of information, blacklist. Educate investors and enhance investor protection framework. तो ये सारी चीजों पे हमें करना है, and that is this has to be controlled, and then only things will move forward. So that is all for today. Thank you very much. Do like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and people who are looking for real preparation support and guidance, connect with us for mains, answer writing, foundation course, for prelims, and mentorship program. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you very much. Take care.